A new tax season awaits, and while this might be stressful for some, businesses and individuals who prepare well can maximize their savings and minimize their stress. Our comprehensive tax calendar can help you stay on track for your 2023 tax filing deadlines. What are the tax filing deadlines for 2023? For individual filers, including employees, retirees, self-employed individuals, independent contractors, and gig workers, there are a number of important dates to take note of. January 2023. The 2022 tax season begins. On January 31st, 2023, employees should have sent W-2s forms to employees. January 31st, 2023, 1099 forms must be sent. On February 15th, 2023, you can reclaim your exemption from withholding. On April 3rd, 2023, your required minimum distribution is due if you turn 72 in 2022. April 18th, 2023, it's tax day. This is the deadline to file Form 4868 and request an extension. This is also the deadline to make IRA and HSA contributions for 2022 tax year. It's also when your first quarter 2023 estimated tax payment is due. For businesses, partnerships including LLCs, C Corps and S Corps, there are important dates that you would want to keep track of closely. If a corporation or partnership operates on a fiscal year calendar, the deadline is the 15th day of the 4th month following the end of the corporation's fiscal year. Key dates for the first quarter to remember would be January 2023. This is when the 2022 tax season begins. January 31st, 2023. Certain 1099 forms must be sent. March 15th, 2023. This is when taxes are due for some businesses. For example, partnerships, multi-member LLCs, and S corporations. On April 18th, 2023, C corporations taxes are due. Don't wait until the last minute. Plan ahead to make sure that this is a stress-free tax season. Visit our blogs for more details on the tax deadlines and how to prepare for them, or contact Fusion CPA for assistance.